Gwaitena ria keri kuma kuhuruka kwa ria wari Prime Minister wa bururi uyu na mutongoria wa kiama kia ODM Raila Odinga. Kanju nene ya utongoria wa kiama giki nitanyitwo gukagia na giikaro kia mwanya muthenya wa rucio niguo guthugunda mwerekera wa kiama giki. Makiria thutha wa kwiyumiria kwa mirugamo ngurani ya atongoria matiganite kiama-ini. Kanju ino yatabanirie giikaro kia mbere rucini rwa muthenya uria mwiri wa Raila wakinya guku bururi-ini kurumirira gikuo gia keri bururi-ini wa India. Nigikinyaniria kwamura seneta wa kaunti ya Siaya Oburu Odinga ta mutongoria wa kiama giki wa ihinda. Undu uria utanyitwo gugakindirwo hindi ya giikaro giki kia muthenya wa rucio.
Members of Parliament, governors, MCA, the elders, the church, we have today endorsed Dr. Oburu Odinga as the party leader. Not even acting, as the party leader, awaiting the final endorsement.
I'm very proud that you have given me this support. And I want to thank you immensely for what you have done to me. And I have also promised that I will not let them down.
Giikaro giki giukite uriri urugari wa kiuteti uthiite na mbere kwambatira kiama-ini giki kuma kuhuruka kwa Raila Odinga. Igatagati ka gikundi kia atongoria ethĩ kiama-ini giki magitongorio ni mwandiki munene Edwin Sifuna. Uria hinyiriirie gutiri hindi Raila anirire mubango wa gukanyita mbaru President William Ruto githurano-ini kia mwaka wa 2027. Murugamo uria ureganitwo naguo ni gikundi kia atongoria angi kiama-ini giki ta muikarĩri gĩtĩ Gladys Wanga.
The last instruction he left us with, and with a very clear mind. And I remember him speaking at the burial of the late Dr. Phoebe Asio, and he said he made a clear decision to work with you for the stability and unity of the nation inside the broad-based government. That is the last standing instruction that Baba gave us. And as a people and as a party, that is where we will stand.
Naomba viongozi msiingize maneno kwa mdomo ya mtu ambaye amelala. Alisema yeye mwenyewe. Akasema kama chama lazima tujiandae kwa ajili ya uchaguzi wa mwaka 2027. Na wale ambao wanaeneza mambo mengine hapa, Baba alisema who has told you? Who has told you? Who has told you? Kwa hivyo sisi tutafuata the last standing instruction ya Baba.
Ndugamano ino ndithirire hau kuona kuri na gikundi kingi kia atongoria ethĩ kuma ruriri rwa Jaruo merekanite kunyotera utongoria wa ODM kurumirira kuhuruka kwa Odinga. Undu uria utungitwo na uregani munene ni atongoria aria marekinyitie mucii kwa Raila mwena wa Bondo, makiuga mari na mwihoko na utongoria wa Dr. Oburu gutacukithia kiama kia ODM ikinya riu ringi.
Mwaka 2027 we will not be in the opposition. Mambo mawili yatafanyika. Agosti tunapiga kura. September we are either in government or we are government.
Because ODM is one of your biggest legacies, Your Excellency Baba. I, as Sifuna, will do everything in my power to keep this party united and together.
Ni giikaro gigakorwo gikurirwo maitho na njira nene ni makiri ma arumiriri kiama kia ODM bururi-ini. Kuona maumirira makio nimo makaruta utheri wigie mwerekero uria ODM kuiyukia makiria maundu-ini megie kurutithania wira na thirikari ya President William Ruto. Undu umwe na uria gikang'ethanira na aria makoretwo na mirugamo ngurani ta Edwin Sifuna uria wihitite ndari hindi akarutithania wira na President William Ruto.
This is not the time to push divisive narratives in ODM. This is not the time. You all know, nyinyi wote mnajua ya kwamba chama cha ODM ni chama cha kila mtu, si ndio? Chama cha Kenya nzima. Na lazima sisi kama viongozi wa chama tuonyeshe umoja ili hawa ndugu zetu ambao ni wanachama wafuate mfano wetu.
Gaturu kohoro kana ODM ni kahota kurumia urumwe wayo gatagati-ini ka ndugamano ici ikoretwo igithie na mbere kiama-ini giki. Na kana ni gikuhota kurumia unyiti mbaru wa mbeũ njithi aria mathiite na mbere kuonania kwaga kuiganira na thiriti yao na thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza. Ngirivotera Kameme TV, Jitagomora Wagunya.